Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming rights, don't guess. If a clip or song is copyrighted and you lack permission, choose licensed or public domain replacements. Once you have acceptable audio and visual assets, back up the original files and export a copy of your Capcut project. This preserves evidence of ownership and lets you revert changes. Make sure to note license terms and attribution requirements, because that informs how you edit and what credits you must include in the final export. Now import your licensed audio into Capcut and align it to the video timeline. Precise sync avoids accidental retention of copyrighted segments. Use split and delete to remove original audio, then apply volume automation or ducking so dialogue remains clear under music. If you must alter visuals, check the license. Some require no derivative works. Once done, adjust export settings for quality and metadata. Save incremental project versions so you can track changes and demonstrate compliance if asked. Finish by exporting with appropriate codec and embedding credits in the description or video depending on license terms. Include artist, license type, and link if required. If a platform issues a copyright claim, respond with proof of license and timestamps showing the replacement. If unresolved, replace the flagged segment and re-upload. Keep receipts, license files, and the backed up project on hand to resolve disputes quickly. A single troubleshooting tip: when claims persist, contact the right.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.